Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So this first one involves like a very fancy mirrored key rack or key holder, and then we have a plant stand. Kind of a cool project idea. It looked a little homemade, but that's okay. And then we're gonna check out this bottle design. It looks like they're painting the bottle. Now this is a very beginner friendly project, doing a nice little painted bottle design. I actually wouldn't mind doing like some type of class where they paint bottles with you. I don't know why that just, popped in my head, but I think that would be a cool little class to take. So she's doing like a fun little pattern here. This is pretty, and you can use this for as just a decorative piece by itself, or you can actually put some type of flowers in here, or maybe some pampas grass. And then we have a DIY featuring some wooden spoons. So I've actually been seeing a lot of crafts with spoons lately. It was a huge trend a few years ago, and it definitely seems to be making a comeback. So she's going to be doing candle holder for this one. And honestly, I think the wooden spoons look the best. I think they look very natural. They have like this really nice natural element to them. And you don't have to worry about spray painting it. You can just kind of leave it by itself because it looks pretty on its own. Versus if you were to use like plastic spoons. Very cool, nice and simple design project. Alright, so the next DIY is going to feature some wooden elements. Very cool. Looks like she made a table tray. Oh, it's like a two-tier tray with a planter design. Okay, that's pretty cool. So she did something different on each part, the top portion from the bottom. Now you could stop there and just let that be a table tray, but I think what she ended up doing with the double decker look is pretty cool too. Very nice. Alright, so we got some more wooden pieces here, some little wooden hoops. Adding some yarn to this. Oh, so it looks like she's making some type of wall decor. Wow, that came out amazing. Very nice. And I like how it plays into the wooden plaques on the wall that's already there. So I'm thinking this DIY is a candle holder. Not sure yet though. Wow, so she did a candle holder and a vase. Very cool. Wow, that vase is very unique. And then we have someone else painting a bottle here. Well, she's doing like line art. Oh, adding some twine. Oh, this is very nice. Very cool idea. And you could even take that a step further and go in and paint in between the lines. That would be really cool. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.